Hello everyone and welcome to our second Vanzilla tutorial, and in this video I'll be showing you how to connect and customize your slave account. Now if you're following from last video, we were able to get our proxy and our account. So that's all you need for this. We'll just go ahead and make sure you press the account section here, and we're going to go ahead and add our account. So I'll just expand these fields so you can see. Okay, I'll go ahead and enter in the username. Please don't steal this account from me. Now, for platform, I always recommend Android. However, if you're only going to do mass story viewing and liking, then choose iOS. Or you could choose either one. But if you're going to do more than that, like follow and stuff, use Android, because this software goes off of mobile APIs and Android has more masking tools. So go ahead and put in the proxy now. Make sure your proxy is in this format. Off camera I'll put in the correct proxy. I don't want you guys stealing my proxy here. And then we're just gonna have to press add account. So give me a sec. So here it says enter the 6-digit code sent to the email. So we'll just go ahead and we'll log into our email that's connected to the Instagram account. Enter the password. It's one of these here, one of these other passwords. It's a bit confusing, but just enter in the 4-digit here. Okay, so here we're into the email. As you can see here, it says new login to Instagram from some Android device, because we use mobile APIs, so Instagram thinks it's an actual device. I'm going to go here and verify our account. Just grab the code over here. Okay. Okay, now we have our account added to the dashboard. So first thing you want to do is you want to customize the account, make it look as human and as whatever your model is as possible. Make sure it's not, please do not be retarded with the bio. Make it look human-like as possible. So username, for this I'm just gonna, but you probably have like your model's name and then maybe something, maybe other words at the end of it. 1, 2, and then here bio, just put 21, and I'll put, could add in like some sort of quote here. You want to link your models one here as well, because this is a slave, so the idea is to bring it to the models account. And then website would be your own link to get to the OF. So whether you could use either a domain and then forward it to the OF, you could use a link tree, Beacons AI. It's up to you. I'm not going to tell you which one I use because our photos are added. You just press save changes. Now it should be okay. You might get an error if the username has already been taken, but here changes saved tick. You can see it's all good. We could go ahead, view the profile by pressing view timeline. Okay, and you can see the Instagram account. So with this software, everything's in the software. You don't have to go into your mobile phone. I know in browser you can't link something, you have to be on the phone to do it, but since we use mobile API, everything can be done in the software. You don't have to pick up a phone or log into it or anything. So next you want to press add post. You can add a few posts, make it look as realistic as possible. Think of your own captions. I'm not going to tell you which captions I use. If you're going to do the same caption among 100 accounts, that's fine. I've never actually had a problem. I just copy and paste the same caption. I maybe make like a tweak, so I could just be like, just do like some, add an emoji here. Okay, and then post now. So you could go ahead and view the post, see that it's actually posted. Okay, here we go, that's the post. Now if you want to do like a slideshow post with multiple posts, just press add album, okay, and then press this and this. Okay, post now. So there are many strategies to get the accounts looking as human-like as possible. However, that's for you to figure out. I'm just going to show you how to use the platform, and then you could, obviously the more realistic you make it look, the better conversion you're going to get. So see here, done. Now, once you have done all that, you will need to, if your account only has 0 followers, 0 likes, whatever, it's just not going to work. So you have to buy followers and buy likes. So we're going to go here, press this. You're going to go into this website. I'll link on the resources list below. Here, for 1,000 it only costs 54 cents. I'll put in the link. I'd say I want 500 followers. I'd also go into likes, put in the link. I'm not connected to Instagram, but I'd just copy and put in the link, and you shouldn't have to spend more than $1 on each account. So just make it look as realistic as possible. If people see that your account has followers and the posts have likes, it would make it a bit less sketchy. Now, once you have done that, that is pretty much the end of connecting, customizing your slave account. You can repeat this process across hundreds. You should be able to use the same captions and images. It doesn't really matter. When we post images on this platform, it will change the metadata, so you won't get detected. I use the same bio, everything for all my slaves. And yeah, it only takes a couple minutes, as you can see here, just to connect one. So in a day you could do over 50, especially at VAs. You could scale this really quickly. So I'll see you in the next tutorial.